Hi Power Time friends, we are on the back of the Swift Trawler 35 and now we're going to put away our barbecue. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate this, pull it straight out like that. Then I'm going to pick up like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold this and he can screw those out. Quite a bit of screwing, but once you get those out, we're going to put this inside the barbecue and put the cover on and then put it away in the lazarette. Oops, look at all those. and that's it. So you can put it right inside. There's two latches right here. Those should be put in the plastic bag, so those little screws, so they don't fall down inside the barbecue and we lose them forever or they get all dirty. So put them inside there, and so for safekeeping, so they don't fall through the grate or anything like that. And that's it.